In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar effectively. Google Calendar is an incredibly useful tool whether you're managing personal schedules or coordinating with colleagues. Let's dive right in and transform how you organize your time. First, head over to your Google Calendar. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and navigating to calendar.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of viewing options such as day, week, or month at the top right of your screen. Decide which view works best for you based on how you plan your time. For instance, if you have many appointments in a single day, the day view might be more beneficial. Alternatively, if you prefer to overview your whole month, the month view would be apt. Once you have picked your preferred view, look for the time slot you'd like to schedule an event in. You should see a visual representation of a calendar with various time blocks. To schedule something new, click on the specific time you want your event to start. Now you might notice a little pop-up prompting you to fill in details about your event. If the default time doesn't fit your needs, feel free to adjust it by clicking and dragging the time edges, or simply entering the correct times manually. After adjusting the time to fit your schedule, it's crucial to provide a title and any relevant details about the event. This step ensures that your schedule is clear at a glance. Include everything you need to remember at that moment so you won't have to dig deeper into your calendar to understand what an event is about. You might include the location, a brief description, or even attachments if necessary. Next, don't forget to save your event by clicking the Save button. This ensures all the details you've just entered are captured and will appear on your calendar. Let's move on to another convenient feature. Suppose you want to organize your events into different categories or themes like work, personal, or fitness. You can create a new calendar by clicking Add Other Calendars on the left side navigation under the Other Calendars section. Then select Create New Calendar. Afterward, you'll see options to name and describe your calendar. Be thoughtful about the name and description since they will help remind you what this calendar is specifically for, making it easy to differentiate from others. When you're satisfied with your new calendar's name and description, click Create Calendar to finalize the process. Congratulations, you have successfully created a new calendar. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to efficiently manage your time with Google Calendar. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming more organized and productive. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.